Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Motorola device. As you can see, I have Motorola Moto G72 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. Firstly, remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port. I suggest to use an old toothbrush, which you no longer use. As you can see, there is something in my charging port that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. Firstly, take the cover off, if you have the cover. Then just insert the one part of the brush into the connector and pry the dirt out. Great! That's it. Thanks for watching this video, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and bye! See you!